There's a problem with these sci-fi shows nowadays. There really is a problem. Because sci-fi shows for me have been lacking. You're in outer space and people are like, oh, it's more realistic. There's no aliens, it's more realistic. I'm like, no, it's not. Outer space is the most unexplored thing right next to the ocean. We still haven't seen what the bottom of the sea. I honestly feel like mermaids still exist. Outer space is the most unrealistic thing out there. There might just be another world with people and races, so aliens are not far-fetched. You can add aliens to your sci-fi world of outer space. We have not explored all of outer space. So aliens are not far-fetched. To be honest, the problem with sci-fi shows with me is that they lack other races. They lack that for me. And the thing is that we're in outer space. We have spaceships. We're strong, we're smart, but we don't have other races. Are you kidding me? And that's what the show lacks. That's why I can't get into it. Because Dark Matter has great characters. Let's take Dark Matter for a minute. Dark Matter has great characters. It's interesting. It's a mystery. It's like, how do we get here and stuff like that. But what it lacks, when I first saw Dark Matter, the only reason why I watched the first 2 episodes was because I was looking for aliens. That's it. I wanted to see other races. They're like, oh, it's more realistic that way. No, it's not. Again, we have not explored space. We don't know what's completely out there. Just because we haven't seen it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It's like the giant squid. A few years back, people were like, no, the giant squid doesn't exist. It's a myth. We have no evidence of it. We never saw a body or anything like that. And then a few years earlier, we found the giant squid. We saw its body and we're like, okay, the giant squid exists. That's the same concept with space. We cannot say another race does not exist. We have not explored it all. So it is more realistic to say there might be a few alien races out there. If you're so dead on having humans, then make your aliens look human. Okay? But maybe they have some more advantages. Maybe they're a little bit stronger because their gravity is on their planet is a little bit more stronger than us. Or stuff like that. You don't have to go completely out 160. But the thing is, I'm just saying, it's more realistic. That's my problem with the sci-fi shows nowadays. There's no other races out there. Like, we're in outer space. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. That's my thing. That's the only reason why I mess with sci-fi, because I like the idea of another race out there. And stuff like that. That's my problem with sci-fi shows, and that's why I'm very picky about my shows like this. Like, geez, I'm going to have to watch Star Trek if I want something like that. And the thing is that the one thing and it's not just that, it's the story plotline of some of these sci-fi shows I do not get, that I just don't like. I'm gonna give you another example. It's called Killjoys. Killjoys is about space bounty hunters and stuff like that. And the thing is that I like the concept. But as the plot of the story goes on, I had just fallen out of it. I don't know what it is with these sci-fi shows. It's just not holding my attention. Like I said, you only get one shot to hook me on your show. And that's the problem. So, hopefully we will get more shows, sci-fis. For all the sci-fi fans out there, hopefully we will get more shows with different alien races and plots and dialogue that can hold us. That's all I'm asking for. I just want alien races, a good plot, and dialogue. That's all I want.